Greetings, fellow wellness seekers, and warm welcome to Green Man Wellness, where ancient remedies are brought to life. Today we're exploring Siberian shamanic medicine, a powerful healing system that combines natural remedies with spiritual practices. Let's look at how plants like Rhodiola and Eleuthero are used alongside shamanic rituals for healing. Rhodiola, also known as the golden root, is one of the most important herbs in Siberian medicine. It's used to help the body adapt to stress, improve mental clarity, and boost stamina. Siberian shamans would use rhodiola to enhance endurance during harsh winters and difficult physical tasks, making it a key adaptogen for survival. Eleuthero, also known as Siberian ginseng, is another powerful adaptogen used in Siberian shamanic medicine. It's valued for its ability to increase energy, improve focus, and support immune function. Eleuthero is often consumed as a tea or tincture to help the body recover from fatigue and build resilience. In addition to herbal remedies, Siberian shamans use spiritual practices like drumming, chanting, and energy work to promote healing. They believe that illness is often caused by an imbalance between the physical and spiritual realms, and shamanic rituals help restore this balance. These practices are still used today in Siberian communities to heal both body and spirit. Siberian shamanic medicine offers a unique blend of herbal remedies and spiritual healing practices, from the stress-relieving properties of rhodiola to the immune-boosting power of Eleuthero. These ancient traditions continue to provide deep healing today. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Siberian shamanic medicine. If you did, please subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember what the Green Man requests of his viewers: like and subscribe, join the wellness tribe. Paka!